This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with the essentials. Open a new workbook and create 3 sheets named Budget, Guests, Vendors so everything is organized from the start. Once done, convert rows into tables to enable filters and structured references. This makes formulas cleaner. Make sure to add key columns like item, estimated dollar, actual dollar, and paid, with data validation for Y/N. This first setup speeds later work and prevents reformatting. It also allows you to use named ranges for totals and easy linking between sheets. Now you build the working logic. Link vendor payments to the budget sheet with XLOOKUP or VLOOKUP to pull quoted amounts, and use SUMIFs to total by category. Once that is in place, create a guest list column for RSVP status and calculate confirmed counts with COUNTIF. This feeds per person cost estimates. Make sure to add conditional formatting. Highlight unpaid items, budget exceedances, and vendors past due. This keeps actionable items visible, so you can prioritize calls and payments quickly. Finish by reconciling actual dollar against estimated dollar and marking paid. Entries. Once totals are accurate, create a final summary dashboard with key metrics like remaining budget and guest count. Make sure to lock formula cells and protect sheets before sharing with vendors or family, and save version backups so you can revert if needed. If something goes wrong, check that table ranges and named ranges didn't shift, verify formula ranges, and use Evaluate Formula to step through complex calculations to find the error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.